A little secret here about hiring and the hiring process, it's all about fit. It really is. It's all about fit. How do you fit with the organization? How do you fit within that whole kind of culture and structure of the organization, even down to the team level for the hiring manager? Like, can I work with this person? So it's all about fit, really, because there's a lot of people with great experiences and knowledge and all those things, but it's how you bring those together and how you fit. So hiring is all about fit. And so you want to look at your own knowledge, skills, and ability. The company will certainly look at that, but they'll also look at how do you fit within their organization, how do you fit within the team. And understand that as you go through the interview process, there might be some organizations you're like, boy, I know this is not going to be a good fit for me, and you would turn down an offer anyways. And there's others would be like, wow, I really fit well here. They're focused on team, or they're focused on customers, or they're focused on program, or they're focused on whatever it is, or quality, whatever it is that maybe is really exciting to you. You can kind of emphasize that in the interviews and build confidence around that as far as, wow, I really fit here. Let me tell you, and not be shy about it, let me tell you how I fit. And so the more you can talk about fit with a employer, the better off you'll be, because that's kind of underlying what they're looking for anyways. Know what you want, but know what they want as well, and how do you fit together. So that whole lesson on knowing what you want is real important, and then understanding what they want is important, and then bring it together as far as fit. Now think back to maybe teams that you've been on, or where you've been in a good fit situation. It could be something maybe in college or university or a club or some type of organization you belong to. Maybe it's a nonprofit organization. Maybe it's a volunteer thing. Maybe it's something from your career or work world, a team, whatever. It might not be the whole job. Maybe it was just one little special project team. And think about, wow, I really fit well with that team. And here's why I fit well with that team. And think about, the things that really worked well and clicked in those situations, and then bring that into your interview process. It'll help you with upcoming interview questions, because you can start answering questions like, tell me about a great experience with a team, or tell me about a team that didn't work out as well for you, or a project that was successful, or a project that failed, whatever it might be. You'll be ready for those type of questions by just thinking a bit about fit and how you fit with the organization and where you're at your best. Doesn't mean that every job's a perfect job. There is no such thing as a perfect job, but it's more about thinking about where is my best spot for me, and understanding how that will work with the organization as well, because they want people that fit with the organization. So hiring process, all about fit, and the more you can think about fit and how you fit with the organization, the better off you'll be.